The roots. Plants remain anchored in the soil because of their roots. The roots not only keep the plant steady, but also help it absorb food and water from the soil and also help in supply of these nutrients to other parts of the plant. Let's learn more about plant roots. Root of plant. In soil, plants grow with two main parts, the root and the shoot. The root stays inside the soil, while the shoot grows above it. The shoot includes branches, twigs, leaves, flowers, and other parts. Roots continue to grow in the soil. As the roots grows, plants become more stable. Types of roots. Plants have two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. A taproot is a single root that grows downwards, with small hair-like fibers growing on it. Edible taproots include carrots, radishes, parsnips, turnips, and more. Fibrous roots, on the other hand, are several thin roots that grow from the base of the stem and spread or grow sideways. Common fibrous root plants include grass, weeds, clover, marigolds, and several trees like maple. Functions of root. Roots perform several functions. Plants remain anchored in the soil because of their roots. Roots absorb water from the soil and supply it to all parts of plant along with minerals and other nutrients from the soil. Some roots of plants store food in them. Such roots are called edible roots. For example, turnip, radish, carrot, sweet potato, beetroot, etc. Aerial roots. Some roots grow from the branches of a tree. They are called aerial roots. For example, on a banyan tree, these roots grow downwards and go into the ground. These roots are called prop roots and they look like pillars for the main tree. Sometimes, the main stem of the tree dies, but the prop roots keep growing. They form more trunks and make a strong support system for the tree. Some plants do not grow in soil. They anchor or fix themselves to a branch of a tree or some other object like building or pole. Such plants are called epiphyte. Epiphyte cannot obtain water or other nutrients from soil. Instead, they depend on sunlight, moisture in the air, and dust particles for their survival. Some of the common epiphyte plants are fern, moss, lichens, orchid, etc. They are also called air plants. Soil erosion. When soil is washed or blown away from one place to another by the action of water or wind, it is called soil erosion. This process can be harmful to ecosystems and needs to be addressed. Plant roots play an important role in controlling soil erosion by firmly holding the soil particles in place. By planting more trees and plants, we can effectively control soil erosion.